First of all, I thank all the respected media persons for sparing their valuable time attending at this press meet organized by Sadhu Brahmo Dharma Samiti on this 24th January 2021 Sunday at Udalguri Press Club, Udalguri, BTC. Through this press meet, at the beginning, I long to greet heartily the Gov of Assam for launching a holy scheme for all religions and the faiths exercising within the state. But the matter is that at the same time, the government of Assam has violated the secularism as well as the Indian Constitution and the fundamental rights to the communities of BTC, who has been exercising Indian traditional faith and belief by publishing discriminating notification on 30th December 2020 by number PD/DCP/10/2020/68-A issued by Commissioner and Secretary Transformation and Development Department calling upon of submission of a lease of 50 Namgors and Batu Mondir per LAC within BTR area for providing financial aid under the scheme of Assam Darshan. That in the said notification categorically and specifically in the para 2, it has been mentioned that no religious institution like Brahma Mandir etc. should be included. It should be confined strictly to the Namgors traditionally known in the society and the Batu Mandir in border society. That the content and the language of the Para 2 of the said notification strongly hurted the soul of all followers of Brahma Dharma in Bodo society. That the attitude that grows up by said Para 2 of the notification violates the principle of secularism. It also violates the provisions of fundamental rights enshrined in Article 14, 15 and 25, 26 of the Indian Constitution. It is mentionable that we did not oppose any authority for financial aid in favor of Brahmo Mandir under the scheme of Assam Darshan before. In such a situation, strictly denial of sanctioning financial assistance in the name of Brahma Mandir by Para 2 of the notification is nothing but a fabulous act and could not be accepted in the normal parlance. That by putting such discriminating contents and the language of Para 2 of the notification tends to lower the reputation of all followers of Brahma Dharma in the public domain. So all for these above cited, I condemn all the responsible office bearers who had arranged this discriminating notification, and I felt sorry to say to Dr. K.K. Nath, IAS, for his misdeed that he went wrong violating the constitutions and the principle of secularism of India. Further, I urge Dr. K.K. Nath, Commissioner Secretary, to modify the notification accordingly. At the last, I do urge the Gov of Assam to modify the said notification within the span of time. On the other, there will be vigorous democratic movement /Dharna to save our secularism, and I request every Indian to stand against such anti-secularism, anti-constitution and anti-democracy of our country. Jai Hind.